Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that a lot of you have been asking me recently. Can I skip a payment with Ally? Now, before I get into the answer, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. That being said, let's get into it. Can I skip a payment with Ally? The short answer is yes, you can skip a payment with Ally. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, Ally offers a payment extension program that allows you to defer your payment for up to 120 days. This means that you won't have to make a payment during that time, but interest will continue to accrue on your loan. Second, there are some fees associated with skipping a payment. Ally charges a late fee of up to $37, and they may also charge a finance charge. Third, skipping a payment will have a negative impact on your credit score. So, if you're considering skipping a payment, you should weigh the pros and cons carefully. When should you consider skipping a payment with Ally? There are a few situations where it might be a good idea to skip a payment with Ally. For example, if you're experiencing financial hardship due to a job loss, illness, or other unexpected event. However, it's important to note that skipping a payment is not a long-term solution. You should always try to get back on track with your payments as soon as possible. How to skip a payment with Ally? If you're considering skipping a payment with Ally, here's what you need to do. Contact Ally customer service. You can do this by calling 1-877-247-2559 or by going to their website. Explain your situation to the customer service representative. Ally will review your request and determine if you're eligible for a payment extension. If you're approved for a payment extension, Ally will send you a confirmation letter. What to do after you skip a payment? Once you've skipped a payment, it's important to stay in touch with Ally. They can help you create a payment plan to get back on track. You should also try to make up for the missed payment as soon as possible. This will help you avoid additional fees and interest charges. Skipping a payment with Ally is possible, but it's not always the best option. If you're considering skipping a payment, you should weigh the pros and cons carefully and talk to a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.